Hey everyone! Thanks for tuning in today. Buckle up, because what you're about to see is not for the faint of heart. We've put together some of the most dangerous, shocking, and intense accidents ever caught on camera. Moments where just one split second could change everything. Every clip in this video is packed with suspense, surprises, and heart-pounding action. We've handpicked the rawest and most jaw-dropping footage to give you an unforgettable experience. So stick around until the very end, because each moment only gets wilder from here. One of the most horrifying oil tanker rollovers ever recorded. The massive truck was speeding uncontrollably when the driver lost control, swerved left, and crashed into the vehicle ahead. In an instant, the impact turned into a devastating disaster as the tanker exploded, unleashing a raging fireball with thick black smoke engulfing the sky. A massive truck barreled into a sharp curve at high speed, suddenly losing control as its entire body swayed violently. In that heart-stopping moment, the truck tipped over, crashing onto its side and sliding off the road, leaving behind trails of smoke, the deafening sound of impact, and a scene that would make anyone watching hold their breath. It was truly a split second between safety and disaster on the highway. Ford parked quietly beside a house suddenly turned into the center of a terrifying scene. Thick black smoke began pouring from the engine bay, filling the air with a choking, burnt smell that sent shockwaves of panic through anyone nearby. Within seconds, roaring flames erupted, consuming the front of the vehicle and spreading with frightening speed. The shrill sound of the fire alarm shattered the silence, adding to the chaos and tension. Almost instantly, firefighters rushed to the scene, unrolling their hoses and battling fiercely against the raging fire beast that seemed unstoppable. Every blast of water, every desperate second fighting the inferno felt like a scene ripped straight out of a heart-pounding action movie, leaving onlookers frozen in shock.
compare the text because you've heard it.
This is why you should stay away from a car if it breaks down and stop.
Before your eyes are some of the most dangerous and shocking traffic incidents, where just a split second of distraction can turn into a devastating tragedy. Through these intense moments, we hope each of you will become more alert, keep a steady hand on the wheel, and always put safety first. Wishing you the best of luck, stay sharp, drive safe, and may every journey bring you home in peace.
I think the fines for using a mobile phone while driving should be increased. Slow down. Don't have the right of way. The driver of the red car probably... This is why you don't street race. The intersection.
Don't forget to hit that like button to show your support and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the exciting videos coming up. Your support is my biggest motivation to keep creating more thrilling, entertaining, and engaging content for you.
Illinois State Police, and no one was injured in the incident.
On a snow-covered road slowly melting into slush, every vehicle that passes faces a brutal challenge. The slippery surface turns the pavement into a deadly trap, sending cars skidding, swerving out of control, and plunging drivers into unpredictable danger. Just one sudden brake or a careless turn can trigger disaster in an instant. This icy stretch is not only a test of skill but also of nerves and luck, leaving anyone who witnesses it holding their breath in fear. Every passing car seemed to be dancing on the edge of disaster. The wheels spun desperately, the headlights tore through the mist, and the drivers gripped the steering wheel with trembling hands, as each passing second felt like a fight against the harsh elements. The crunching sound of ice breaking under weight, the sudden slides of heavy steel, and the suffocating silence right before a collision.
Reckless drivers swerving into on-course by out-of-control truck or during cut on today's video. Join us as we dive into real safe on the road. Buckle up and let's get started. and stay alert when approaching intersections. I hope consequences of their foolish actions.
Oh my god, these terrifying collisions on the road will leave you holding your breath. Every chaotic moment, every heart-stopping second was captured on camera as vehicles moved through traffic. From sudden skids and violent impacts to the ear-splitting crash of metal on metal, each scene unfolds into a series of dangerous situations that will send chills down your spine.
Causing a major accident. No residential area allows you to risk hurt in the crash. The truck. The truck driver suffered a health issue and was
Oh! You fucking
Five suspects fled after causing a crash.
Video protected.
A Mini Cooper caught fire.
Easiest thing you've ever seen happen on the road. Think it can top? We're diving straight into raw, unfiltered dash and real close calls you won't believe. Let's get into the action. A yellow light like a last-second dance move. Our bandit in a hilarious road tango. Then smashes into a power pole for no apparent reason.
Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I truly appreciate your support. I wish you good luck and safe journeys wherever the road takes you. Always drive carefully to protect yourself and your loved ones. Don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you won't miss the exciting videos coming up next. See you soon on the next thrilling adventure. Goodbye for now.
Oops, wrong stage. This rogue truck turned poor white car and dragging it like a wild bull tobago. This driver cruises the highway like it into a chaotic domino effect that turns the road. Only to crash into the car ahead like a clueless bump gone wrong. Worst time to crash the main road car, turning traffic damage like a bumbling maestro of road wreck. Barrels into the car ahead like a grumpy road giant. Spa Derby turned into a hilarious highway. The car tries to cross like a clueless pedestrian, only to seriously reckless road tango gone wrong. Two-lane road, this Jeep pulls a sneaky lane cut in front of him. It's smashed and dragged like a wild rodeo ride gone. This red car turns left and crashes into a wild road wreck. Flash, these cars collide like wet road warriors.